Hi friends, now I will explain about history of MongoDB. In NoSQL databases, MongoDB is very popular. Why it becomes very popular? When it released, who introduced? We'll see. MongoDB was developed in October 2007 by New York-based organization Tengen. Now we are calling MongoDB. It was developed by New York-based organization. Now we are calling MongoDB. In 2007 only it was developed. MongoDB is written in C, C++, and JavaScript. In these three languages, they've written the MongoDB code. MongoDB was initially developed as a platform as a service. We have IaaS and PaaS and SaaS and Dash. We have four models: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, desktop as a service. On operating system, they installed MongoDB and they developed as a platform as a service. MongoDB initially they developed as a platform as a service. In 2009, MongoDB was introduced as an open source database server. In 2009, they introduced as open source database server. Most of the companies, if any software is getting open source, then they are ready to use. Almost all the organization nowadays, they wanted to reduce the cost, and in the market, if any software is available for free, then they are ready to use. And also, if the software is having the same similar features are there and getting for free, then they are ready to use it. MongoDB, we have many advantages: high performance, auto failover, high availability, auto sharding. Many features are there. Because of these features, every organization is attracting, and also it is supporting for transactions. From 4.0 onwards, MongoDB is supporting for transactions. That is the reason ODB, most of the organizations, they are migrating from ODBMS to NoSQL MongoDB database. Because of MongoDB is providing many features than ODBMS. MongoDB provides backend services to many websites and to other services. For example, eBay and New York Times and Foursquare, all these are the companies they are using for their websites, and backend they are using MongoDB. MongoDB is a document-based oriented database, and also it provides many features. This is the history. In 2009, they introduced it as a open source database. So many features they are providing, and also from 2010 onwards, it becomes very popular. Most of the companies they are using it. Why? What are the features they are providing? We'll see. That's all history of MongoDB. In my coming videos, I will explain about advantages and who is using, why they are using, what are the features they are attracting. We'll see. Please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching my videos.